G'day, how you doing? Adam Williams here from Easy Way Photography. Here we are in the ACT at the Arboretorium. I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's basically a gardens, like a botanical gardens of sorts, I believe. Now we've got this beautiful shaped triangular building on the hill, and we've zoomed in. We're at 80 millimeters, so basically I'm just isolating the top of the hill and that beautiful triangular shaped strong building at the top there. And I'm kind of hoping that some of these dramatic clouds are going to move in over the top of the building as the sun sets, which is about 10 or so minutes away. Now, also, as the light fades and the sun goes down, you can see the lights are already lighting up that building there. So as the light fades, that building is going to become much more prominent within the image as it starts to glow from those artificial lights inside. So fingers crossed, it's going to make an interesting image. The sky over here is absolutely incredible at the moment, so I might just quickly grab a frame of that and then zip back around and grab my composition here again. So just bear with me there. That sky over here is well worth grabbing, and in fact I'm going to need to switch lenses just for a second, so give me a sec and we'll just do that. Okay, so I've just switched over to the little 35mm Nikon Prime here, and that should be enough. That's absolutely perfect to get that sky. Where are we? Why aren't you? There we go. Just didn't have it quite locked in there. I'm just going to have to bump that ISO up a little bit, up to 200. I'll drop that aperture down to speed the camera up. Okay, I'm now getting a 100th of a second, which will be plenty enough to grab this sky here. And of course, I've got my time delay mode on. That was a bit painful. Let's just grab a couple more frames of that sky before we swing back around as the sun sets for that beautiful building there. It's actually quite a nice image over here all by itself. That'll do the trick. All right, what's that look like? No, that 35's a little bit too wide. I just thought I'd have a look through the 35 whilst I had it on the camera, but we're really then incorporating all those extra trees and the edge of the other building up over here, when all I really want is the top of the crest of the hill with that beautiful strong triangular shaped building on top. So that's what we'll go for, and switch back over to the 80mm. And we've got that composition back again. I'm also going to switch back over to mirror lockup so that I don't get that mirror slap vibrating the camera as I take the shot. And I'm also going to, I've got a cable release in there, but rather that's going to take too long. I'm going to go to in here and put on exposure delay instead. Okay, so that's perfect. Let's grab a shot there. So the first click will lift the mirror out of the way, and the second click will fire the shot after 3 seconds. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Histogram's not bad. Okay, now it's just a matter of waiting and hoping that we get a few of these clouds drift over the back here. A lot of them have all kind of disappeared. I really want a sky full of dramatic clouds and dramatic light. I'm not sure we're going to get that, but in the very least we'll get that beautiful triangular shaped building glowing with that artificial light, and we can put some dramatic clouds in behind there later. Okay, so as you can see, it hasn't worked out perfectly. I was hoping for a big overbearing sky above this beautiful building here. The image I envisage is one of a very dramatic overbearing sky, the crest of a hill with this beautiful symmetrically shaped triangular building that represents a beacon of glowing strength, if you like. So we're not quite getting that. I am getting that beautiful artificial glow here, which is what I'm after. There's a huge dark sky off to the south here. I'm just going to grab one more image, then I'll go to a wider lens and grab this really overbearing sky and hopefully bring them all together in post-production and create that real kind of glowing strength, overbearing sky poetic image.